Hey guys, this is Ansh, and I know I haven't uploaded any video for last 2-3 months because I was preparing for my upcoming competition for Scratch. So I just wanted to show you what I made for my upcoming competition. So from my honest opinion, I did not do my best, but you can give it a rating in your comments out of 10. So let's view it. So now I will click the green flag. Yeah, so you can hear this music, and here it is written, click here to see something interesting.
Choose one icon.
Yeah, so we can choose any icon here. So I will choose water.
Why should we save water?
So you can pause the video and read this. Then we will go in the back button.
Choose one icon.
Then you will choose bulb.
Why should we save electricity?
Then then why should we save electricity? So you can pause this also and read it. Then we'll go in the back button.
Choose one icon.
Now we'll click on tree.
Why should we save tree? Choose one icon.
So when we have read all these three things, then we will go in the home button, and if you don't know how to play this game, you can go in the help button where it will show you how to play these games. Then we will go and start.
Choose a game to play.
Yeah, so I made this like a mini game. So here you have a drawing game, here you have a space game, here you have a quiz game, and here you have a maze game. So let's go to the drawing game.
Hello. Welcome to the drawing game.
Yeah, so it is a drawing game. So it is how to play button. So here we can go if you don't know how to play this button, means this game.
Hello. Welcome to the drawing game.
Now we will go in the play button. So here is a suggestion and start button. So if we will go in the suggestion, we can try drawing these shapes in a board. So now we will go back.
Hello. Welcome to the drawing game.
We will go in play, and then we will go here start. Yeah, so 1 minute, I will erase it. Yes, so here if we want to draw a triangle, we will choose a red color. Then we will go like this. Oh, 1 minute. Oh, it was lagging, sorry. Then if I drew this, then I can change the pen size also, like 30. So here the pen size is reduced. Now we'll go in blue color, and we can draw anything in green color. So like this we can draw any shape with these colors. So if you want to erase something, you can change the width of the size of the eraser. So I will go in 100 and erase it. And if you do not want any of these on the screen, then you can go in the reset button. So all is now reset. So yeah, this was my first game. So here it is. Please click the green flag when done. So you'll click on the green flag. I'm going to start.
Choose a game to play.
So let's play the space game.
Hello. Welcome to the Star Wars game.
Yeah, so I made it a Star Wars game, but it's not exactly Star Wars. So this is the how to play game, means how to play button. Then you will go in the back button.
Hello. Welcome to the Star Wars game.
Then you will go in the play button.
Good luck. Reach the score 50 to win.
So if we will click the green flag, then it will shoot vaccines to the COVID viruses. So we have to defeat this virus. We have to reach the score 50 to win. So I will fast forward it, and yes, you can and here you can see the score. Yeah, so when your score reaches 50, it will show you this screen, you win. Please click the green flag to continue. Yeah. So now you'll go in the start
Choose a
button,
game to play.
and then you will click on the quiz game.
Hello. Welcome to the quiz game.
So here it is, how to play button.
Hello. Welcome to the quiz game.
Yeah, so now we will go in the play button.
Hello. I am your host for the game. You can play the quiz game or you can listen to the facts.
Yeah, so this is Jamie, and he's the host for our games. So we can play the quiz here, or we can listen to the facts. So first let's play the quiz game. So who is the Vice President of India? It is Venkaiah Naidu.
Correct answer.
So in which year was the first Republic Day celebrated? So it was 1950, but by chance, if I click on 1949,
Wrong answer.
then it will be wrong answer. And if I click on
Correct
1950,
answer.
then correct answer. Then what is 2 plus 2 divided by 2? So 4 divided by, so 2 plus 2, 4 divided by 2, 2. So the answer will not be 2, it will be 3, because by BODMAS rule, division comes first. So 2 divided by 2, 1, plus 2, 3. So the correct answer will be 3.
Correct answer.
Then who is known as the Iron Man of India? So it will be Sardar Vallabhbhai
Correct
Patel.
answer.
Then who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell.
Correct answer.
Then what is the name of the largest moon on Saturn? Titan.
Correct answer.
Then how many World Cups has India won? 2.
Correct answer.
Then which country gifted Statue of Liberty to USA? France.
Correct answer.
Then which of the following is the biggest island in the world? It's Greenland.
Correct answer.
Then here it is the last question. Which is the heaviest metal? Osmium.
Correct answer.
Yes. Then it will come thank you for playing and it is a home button.
Hello. Welcome to the quiz game.
Hello. I am your host for the game.
So we
You
have
can play
done
the
the
quiz game
quiz.
or you can listen
Now
to
we
the
can
facts.
listen to these facts. To these facts. Yeah. So the first fact is, did you know the first man to go in space was Yuri Gagarin, the Russian astronaut, and Neil Armstrong was the first man to land on moon. Then, did you know when we promise something we make a pinky promise? This means the one who breaks the vow must cut off the little finger. Then next. Then did you know if you wear a headphone for just an hour it will increase the bacteria in your ear 7,000 times. Then if you sneeze too hard you can fracture a rib. If you suppress a sneeze you can rupture a blood vessel in your head or neck and die. Then the last fact. The sixth sheep's sick is said to be the toughest tongue twister in the English language.
Hello.
Yeah.
Welcome to the quiz game.
So when we are done with the quiz game we can go in the back button
Choose a game to play.
and then we will click on our last game, the maze game.
Hello. Welcome to the maze game.
So here is the how to play button. Then yeah. Then
Hello.
we go in the
Welcome to the maze game.
yes. Then we will go in the play button.
Level 1.
So this is our player and we have to collect the vaccines. So let's go and collect it. I will fast forward this part. Yeah. So now when we will touch this vaccine, then it will then the maze character vaccines will go to 1. Yes. So as you can see, it is 1. Then now we have to reach the door. Yes.
Level 2.
So now we are on level 2 and this is a COVID virus. So we have to dodge this virus and get these 2 vaccines to reach on level 3. Oh, so I accidentally touched the virus, so I have to play it again. Yeah, so last time we didn't dodge this virus and our game was over, so now let's dodge this virus. Yeah, so now we will go on level 3 by crossing this door.
Level 3.
Yes, so now let's go and collect all these 3 vaccines. And if you see, there are 2 little COVID viruses here. I made them little because this is our last level and this is the hardest level. So now let's finish our game. And we have collected all the 6 vaccines. So yay, we win. So
Hello. Welcome to the maze game.
So as you can see, we have completed our game. So I know I haven't made it as good as I thought, but you can give it a rating out of 10. And thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye.